good evening and morning. Okay, so yesterday we have discussed a couple of things like uh, what what type of clouds we have. Okay, what are the cloud elastic uh, uh, capabilities? Okay, and also we talked a little bit about AWS and we talked about Azure and we seen a couple of mm, like SaaS, PaaS, IaaS models. What is the difference we have seen? And okay, and also we little bit seen how to create a Azure account. Okay, and today what I'm going to do, I will create one Azure account in front of you, and I will show you quickly. Okay, yeah. So this is my account yesterday what I created, and once I click on OK, then it will ask for the password. Sign in, then so I just created a couple of accounts for the practice purpose. I use my most of my friends' credit cards all the time. Okay, so you can use the same thing. Okay, you can create one 723. This is my account at the rate of outlook.com. Okay, so probably once you logged into the Azure account, where you have to come here. I just want to reiterate again, this free account is valid for 1 year and you will get 200 credits. You have to use within a 30 days period. Okay, otherwise this $200 will be expired and your account will be remain for 1 year. After 1 year your account will be disabled. Okay, yeah, fine. Let me go to start. Once you click on start, start free subscription. Okay, the country name is India and first name, let me put it as Vishal. Okay, and middle name, I don't want any middle name. I can keep something G Vishal. Okay, and email addresses, it's look fine. So phone number, I used multiple phone numbers. Let me use one of uh, my friend's one. Friend's number. Okay. Uh, you can use for the text me so that you will get a text. You have to verify that code. So once you verified the mobile number, you will get the screen like this. Okay. So if you are working for any organization, yes, you can keep your organization name. Okay. If you don't want to keep it for organization, always best recommendation is use self. Okay. And your PAN card is optional. Uh, you don't need to give. Okay. And address line, let me put it as, you can put your location. Let me put it as Bangalore something. Okay. Um, Bangalore, some tin factory. Let me, I don't know, but I'm just putting some random um, address line. Okay. This is optional. Okay. Either if you want, you can put it or you can keep it as optional. Okay. And city is Bangalore. State is, have to put it as Karnataka. Yeah, fine. and postal code. This is the postal code of Bangalore. Okay, and just you have to agree the terms and conditions of the Microsoft. Okay, and click on next. Next will be the sign up option. Same home address. Yes, you can use anything. Like you can use your home address or your office address or your working address. Anything is fine. Okay. Yeah. Now it is very important. So as suggested, okay, like you have to always use the best recommendation is use your credit card. Yes, of course we can do it with a debit card also, but don't go with the debit card. Okay, just go with the credit card. Whether it should be a MasterCard or Visa card. Okay, like any local cards, it won't accept. Okay, I'm just utilizing my friend's one. Okay, I will.
Sir,
Hmm.
sir, what is the reason you're not going to use the debit card?
Uh, like if you use the debit card, okay, what will happen most of the times, they will automatically debit from your account, like when you use the pay as you go or some subscriptions. Okay,
Okay.
that's the reason why. Yes, of course, I used earlier with the debit card only. Okay, because I don't have the
Um,
credit card with me.
Same thing can happen in credit card also.
It was failed.
Okay. Okay.
No, no. What happened? What happened? Sorry.
From credit card also they can take it automatically.
Yeah, until unless you choose the pay as you go. That's what I'm
Okay.
telling.
Okay.
Okay, until unless you choose pay as you go, I will tell you how to choose the pay as you go subscription and everything. Okay, you no need to worry of anything. Once you within 30 days you can practice it. Okay, that's the best
Yeah.
thing I
Hello.
would like to.
Yeah. Okay.
Yes, sir. Hello.
Yeah, yeah. Tell me, who is that?
Yes, sir. In last day, we can I unsubscribe? Hello.
Yeah, yeah. Tell me.
Yeah, can I last day unsubscribe?
Yes, you can.
Unsubscribe of that
Yes, you
plan,
can. You can.
free
You
plan.
can. Yes.
Okay.
Okay. Yeah. Yeah. Popular service for 12 months and 55 service is always free. 13,300 credits. Now it changed to 14,500 credits. Okay. Okay. So card holder name. I just want to stop screen share for one minute. Okay. Quickly, I will fill these details and I will take you to the next screen. You know that how to fill these details, right? Uh, Let me share my screen back. Okay. So once you fill the details, okay, then you can click on the sign up. It will ask you for your card name and name on the card and your card number and your expiration date and followed by your CVV. Okay, once you clicked on everything, see that they will charge 2 rupees from your account. Once 2 rupees is charged, again they will uh, credit back to your account. You no need to worry on this. Okay.
Like it is like 1 month or 2 months actually.
You are saying something? It will be free for 1 month. Okay. After 1 month, okay, you cannot use the free services. If still you have the free credits, it will be expired automatically. Okay. So once be clear that once you started using of your account, please practice it within 1 month. Okay. If you don't practice it, it will elapse automatically. Okay. So then you can go with the pay as you subscription. And I know I will tell you, I can guide you how you can work with minimal bill. Okay. Like when you create any services, always you can demise it. Like you can use it for 1 hour or 2 hours, then you can demise it so that you won't get much bill. Okay. Just I'm submitting. Mhm. See that for few banks they will not accept.
Sorry, Vishal, your screen is
Yeah.
not right.
Hey, sorry for that. I was just entering the uh, my OTP, so that's why I just
Okay,
disabled
okay.
this screen. Okay. See that, check with your bank. Your bank could not authorize this payment method. Okay. For a few banks, they did not approve it. Okay. They will deny it. Okay. Just go with your any international card. Okay. Just take your friends, if any friend of you is working in any corporate companies. Okay. Just take their card and get it. Okay. So if I click on try again, it will take you back to the again sign up screen. Fine. Okay. We'll see that. Okay. Once you log in here, once your sign up is done, then you will see the options. Okay. Suppose if you create on SQL databases, you cannot create it. Why? Because still your subscription is not yet activated. Okay. Yeah. So I have one of my friend's account. Let me use that one for today's purpose. Okay. Today, what I'm going to do, I will brief about the uh, tool, how this tool look likes. Okay. And yeah. Okay. How this tool looks like and what are the services that you can work going further. Okay. I'm going to tell you that. Okay. Let's see now. Okay. So once you log into the portal, okay. Uh, this is how it looks like. Okay. You will able to see all the services. Okay. These are SQL databases, your virtual machines, your storage accounts. Okay. There are many services you will able to see. Okay. But right now you cannot utilize it. Why? Because you don't have the subscription. Okay. Once your Azure subscription is done, then you can utilize the services. Right now, let me try to uh, uh, let's see the subscription. It is still not yet activated. Okay. There is no subscription name or subscription ID. Okay. Yeah. So if you try to create anything, it will give again to the uh, sign up screen. Okay. I will brief today I will brief the portal. Okay. Yeah. So once you log into the portal, you will be able to see a lot of things here. Okay. Yeah. The first one is like you can send the feedback to the Microsoft. Like so how you satisfied with your experience. Okay. Have you really satisfied or does not satisfied? Suppose like you are able to do the sign up and still you are not able to get it. Yes, you can send a email to the Microsoft saying that, boss, I tried to sign up the Microsoft Azure account with so and so bank, but it is not accepting. May I know what is the reason behind that? And can you allow me, or do you have any other uh, do you have any other solution to get it signed up? Okay, you can write anything to the Microsoft. Okay, they will get back to you. Okay. Yeah. So you can tell your satisfaction. Are you really satisfied with the Microsoft, this Azure portal? Yes, you satisfied. You can write to them. If not satisfied, yes, you can say that you are not satisfied. Okay. Once you submit the feedback, it will go to the Microsoft. Okay, for better understanding. Okay. Yeah. Then there is a question mark here. Okay. This is very, very, very important screen. Okay. Help and support. Yeah. What is this help and support? What is this help and support? Yes. So in case, in case, okay, in case if you encounter any issues at the time of using the Azure, or at the time of creation, or once you created the any services in the Azure, if you encountered an issue, yes, you can always raise a case to Microsoft. Okay, by using create a request. Okay, once you click on the request, it will ask you different details like where service, which area you are getting. Okay, you have to fill the couple of parameters. Okay, once you fill the all the parameters, required parameters, it will take you to the submit. Once you submit the thing, it will go to the Microsoft. Okay, in support model we have three different models. Okay, we have the basic model, we have the premium, and we have the standard. Okay, so what is a basic model? I just want to show you Azure support models. Yeah. Okay, we have the basic, we have the standard, and premium. This is nothing but we call it as a personal direct or premium support. Okay, yeah, let's see that. In basic, what will happen? There are some limitations. Okay, there's, let's see, some limitations are there. What are those limitations? Okay, like for basic, they don't charge much. Okay, for developer, there is one more pricing model that is called developer. In developer model, what will happen? They will charge $29 per month. Okay, for standard, they will charge $100 per month. For premium, they will charge $100, $1,000 per month. Okay. Okay, what is the scope? Okay, include for all Azure customers. Okay, trial and non-production environments. Only it is applicable for non-production environments. Okay, if your work is related to production, always go with standard or business critical. Okay, in this, what will happen? You will get the support response. Let's see the support response, how quickly they will support. See that? Yeah, so when it comes to the basic model, you don't have the support, like you cannot send a mail to the Microsoft, or you cannot call to the Microsoft. Okay, but when it comes to uh, a professional or the premium model, okay, you can always give a call to Microsoft. Okay, you can give a call, or you can send a mail to them, and they will quickly respond uh, on your issues. Okay, yes, and see that if any see that if you go with the basic or standard, what will happen? For save 3, 8 hours, they will 8 business hours they will respond. Here if you see that, within 4 business hours. For save A, if you see that, they will respond within 1 hour of time. Okay, if you raise a save A case, what they will do, they will immediately respond within 1 hour. That is their SLA. Okay, Why? Because you are spending a lot, right? Because $1,000 per month you are spending to the Microsoft. Okay. Yeah. Uh, you can track your tickets. Okay. Uh, you have your own delivery manager. They will assign a delivery manager. You can frequently talk to them, and you can get the frequent support. And he will be the point of contact. In case of anyone is not responding, you can directly escalate your manager. They will be you will assign a delivery manager who will be responsible for your tickets. Okay, that is how it works. Okay, yeah. And there is a recommended solutions. Okay, what is this recommended solutions means? Okay, in real time, Microsoft, like you are getting one issue. Okay, this same kind of issue may encounter to many organizations, right? Okay, so what Microsoft they did is, okay, they given some recommended solutions. Okay, they given some pre-templates. Boss, suppose this problem occurs, they then go and check. These might be the problems. Okay, so if you see the recommended solutions, most of your problem will fix. Okay, then you no need to raise a case to the Microsoft, and you can do the self troubleshooting. Okay, you can identify the issue and you can self troubleshoot it by reading the articles. Okay, by recommended solutions. Okay, if still you are not able to find the solution, yes, you can raise a request. Okay, and once you review and create, it will create the request. This is very important screen. Okay, you should know how to raise a case to the Microsoft. Okay, yeah. Ask the Azure community. If you want to ask anything to the Azure community, yes, you can ask. Okay, there is a community. Okay, you can raise your questions. See that, load the file in blob storage using Python runbook. Okay, hello, I need to load file into blob storage. I created a Python runbook. Okay, if Microsoft guys, they frequently visit this site. Okay, and they will reply to your questions. Okay, this is Microsoft community where you can post your questions. Okay, this is explore documentation. What is this documentation? Like what is the services they are still in the Azure? They will have all the documents with them. Okay, like if you want, you can see that. Let me show you some. Build your skills with Microsoft Learn training. Once you click on it, it will take you to the couple of things. Okay, what do you want to learn? Okay, like and you want to go with the Azure architecture and solutions, Microsoft Azure fundamentals. If you want to learn, okay, start. Okay, see that they have given the some documents. Okay, you can read those documents and you can better understanding. Okay, fine. You billing facts, like in case if you have any problems with the billing, yes, you can read this billing facts. Frequently, facts is nothing but frequently asked questions. Okay, and visit quick start center means it will take you to the start again. Okay, very important screen. Okay, what is the next screen is settings. Okay, settings, how your site has to look like. That is nothing but your settings. Okay, let's see appearance and startup. Okay, so now after I log into the Microsoft site, how it has to look like. Okay, how this site has to look like. Okay, if you click on flyout means you don't see the home screen. Okay, let me quickly change this one. Once I click on the docked view, what will happen? Now see, you will get this screen, right? In the left side, there is a favorite bar will be appear. In your favorite bar, you can frequently, what is the services that you want to frequently using, you can put it into your favorite bar so that it will be easy access for you. Okay, let me change it back to flyout. In flyout mode, you don't see this. See enough, you don't have that favorite bar. Okay, so that's the reason why always I would recommend that just use the docked view. Okay, menu, so that you can see always your favorite bar in the left side. Okay. If you are most of the guys working with SSMS, like you see, right, in left side there is a object explorer and right side there is a query window. Okay, same like you will able to see your object explorer. Fine. Yeah. Okay. And I will see the couple of options. Okay. Yeah. So now by default, it will come with Azure theme. You know the themes, right? So how we can keep in our mobile or you will keep in your laptop. Okay. Same like for your Azure, this Azure portal, you can keep in three themes they have given. One is Azure, blue and light. Okay. If you use Azure, that is by default. This blue icons, everything, it will be in blue. Okay. If I use blue, what will happen? Let's see. Okay. Yeah. See now how this got changed. Okay. Like this, you will able to see the appearance. Okay. So now once you click on the light, how this will comes, it will be like this. Okay. By default, I recommend that use Azure. This will be you will have much view. Okay. You will like this view really. Okay. Once you click on it, it will appear like this. Okay. And there are a dark view. Yes, if you want, you can use the dark view also. You will able to see like uh, like in Linux machine. Okay, like all the black screen, and on top of that, you will able to see the latest. Okay, just go with the Azure default. Okay, yes, and high contrast. If you want the contrast, go with the white like this. Okay, black. It is not that much looks good. Okay, see that? Just go with the none. Apply. Okay, and startup view. Uh, if in case if I do the startup, okay, what it has to go, it has to visible. Okay, it will go to the home screen. Now if I go to the here, it will go to the home screen. Okay, so now what I'm going to do, I will set up that dashboard. Okay, dashboard. What will happen? So what are the services that I created? I will see in all my services in dashboard. Okay, so the best recommendation here, what I suggest you, just go with the docked mode, Azure theme, and here don't go with the contrast, and here just go with the dashboard so that you will have the clear view. Okay, yeah, it's up to you. I'm not saying that you have to go only with the docked or you have to go only with the home screen or something. Okay, this is the best recommendation that you no need to go against such all the things here you has to come, but once you add it into your favorite bar, so it will be very easy to work with that. Okay, fine. Next one is language and region. Okay, this is very, very important. Yeah, so Microsoft is given plenty of languages. Okay, yeah, plenty of languages. See that they have English, they have Dutch. Okay, Indonesia, Italiano. Okay, Polski. There are different languages available in Microsoft. Okay, so if you want, you can use that, but everyone is familiar with English, right? So you can no need to worry on this part. Okay, you can by default Microsoft will give the language as English. Okay, states, United States or United Kingdom. Okay, anything is fine. Okay, my information here. Okay, here you will see the your information. Okay, your email address. Okay, sign out on notifications. This is very, very, very important. I would recommend that. Okay, in real time also, just go with 15 minutes of sign out. Okay, if you keep your system for ideal for 15 minutes, what will happen? It will automatically sign out your uh, portal. Okay, by default it would be never. So never, what will happen? There might be chances of someone may misuse your account, right? Okay, that's the reason why I always just go with the 15 minutes default time. Okay, or else you feel that 15 minutes is not enough to you, just go with 30 minutes. Okay, I don't recommend more than 30 minutes because again it's a security problem. Okay, if you keep your system idle for 15 minutes or 30 minutes, automatically this will sign out from your Azure portal. Okay, which is the best recommendation, right? If you keep never, it will never uh, sign out from this portal. It will always remain same. Okay, I'm just keeping it for 15 minutes for the best security reasons. Okay, click on apply. Done. Okay, done. Here is the notifications, very important notifications. Like, so if you work with Azure, if you create any service, or if you are doing anything, if you delete a service, if you upgrade your service, anything, you will see in notifications. Okay, your notifications are very important. So what are the things that you did so far? It will appear in the notifications. See that there is one notification. The portal is having issues getting an authentication token. The experience rendered may be degraded. Okay, additional information from the call to get a token. They are saying that it is not authorized to fetch the tokens. They are saying that you are not authorized. Why? Because I did not complete the sign up still, right? That's the reason why it is giving the authentication issues. Okay, fine. Let's go with the next one. This is the same again. Okay, your language, your region, settings, everything. Okay, here. Okay, so yeah, so Azure by default it will give two commandlets, and one is bash shell and second one is PowerShell. Okay, if you are working with any Linux machine, yes, you can use the bash shell. If you are using any Windows machine, you can use a PowerShell. Okay, yes, you can create a Linux machine, you can create a Windows machine, whatever you want, you can create in Azure. Okay, so if you want to work with the bash shell, yes, you can use a bash shell. Okay, first it is saying that you have to create the first Azure subscription, then only come to me. It is saying clearly. Okay, so why this shell is very important? Like if you want to do automation, okay, for automation purpose, you can use this bash shell or command shell. Okay, PowerShell. Okay, fine. Sorry, someone is saying something. Fine. Until now, yeah. Any issues until now?
Yeah, Vishal. Actually, if I take subscription for this month, if I have to use for this month,
Mm.
how if I need to work on for the next month. How can I take subscription? I need to take a new credit card thing.
Yes. Yes. So like if you want to go with the little bit of expenses, like if you want, is it harm that if you spend 500 or 1000 rupees for your learnings? No, right? It is not a harm, right? Anyhow, you are learning something from Microsoft. Okay. So
Okay.
if you have multiple cards, your friends or someone, your colleagues or your relatives, if they have credit cards, yes, you can use it multiple times. One time from your friend, one time from your other friend, one time from your relative. Yes, you can use it. Okay.
Okay.
If you don't have, then go with the pay as you go. Okay. I will tell you how you can minimize your some issues with my network. I have to connect from okay, yeah, fine. Okay. So in case you don't have multiple cards with you, then
Okay.
we'll go with like a little bit pay as you go. Okay, you can create your service after you practiced with it, you can demise it so that you won't get bill. It is like a I said, right, pay per use, how much you are using, pay that much.
Okay. And another thing, like if in real time, if I got an issue in Azure part, so if I need to connect with the Microsoft team,
Mm.
so you said that like $1,000.
You
Uh,
yeah, in organizations you no need to worry of anything. Okay, why? Because you are creating services not for you. Okay, you are creating the services for the organization.
Mhm.
Got it right?
Got it.
Okay, you no need to worry about the subscription. You no need to worry about the bills and everything. Why? Because our organization will pay the bills.
Okay. Yeah. Yeah. Thank you.
Also, small concern something also. Even though
Sorry,
in stock,
sorry, Mohan Krishna,
come
can
on.
you? Some background noise is coming, Mohan.
Okay, sir.
So can you mute the TV or something and you can speak? There's a background television noise is coming. You can write your question in the chat. I can answer.
Yeah, Vishal. Is it okay now?
Yeah, okay now. Yeah.
Yeah. Just a small confirmation. Even though if we change the credit card also,
Mhm.
we'll get 1 year subscription only, right?
No, no.
After.
What I'm saying is create a new account.
Okay.
Okay.
Yeah. Okay.
Create a new account and use that credit card again. Once you
Yeah.
used one credit card one time, then you cannot use it for the next time.
Oh, okay.
You won't
Okay.
get the free credits. Only one time.
So every month we need to change the mail ID and with the new.
Yes, yes. Obviously, you do the same thing, right?
Yeah. Okay. Got it.
And one more thing I just want to add here, even though sometimes you change credit card, email ID, still Azure detects your what
IP, your IP, they
machine,
will
yeah,
detect.
machine MAC address. Okay, so that MAC ID will be detected by Azure. So luck. Okay, even though you change your IP, this one, what is that? Your mobile number, email ID, and credit card also, still there is no guarantee that you will get extra free account, another free account. Why? Because sometimes Azure will take the MAC ID of the laptop. So from that laptop, if you are creating multiple accounts with different credit cards, mobile numbers, and all, still there is no guarantee that you will get a free accounts. Maybe out of 110 accounts will be free accounts. Okay, so just keep this point in mind.
Yeah. So sometimes it is better that you can create from your mobile and different laptops, your friends one and some other resources. Okay. Yes, that's true. Okay. Sometimes they will capture your MAC address also.
And now this has happened with me only just now.
Okay. Yeah. Okay.
Hello, Vishal.
Yeah.
Uh,
Fine. Hmm.
yeah, actually, I'm coming to a real-time environment.
Mhm.
We are not going to create this Azure account in real-time, right? Organization, they have their own
No,
account. We are going to
correct.
use this,
Correct.
right?
Correct. They have their own accounts. Okay. Once you joined in the organization,
Okay,
they will create their own accounts and give it to you.
okay.
You can log in with the portal and you can start working. Now for the practice purpose only, we are creating the accounts.
Got it. And one more question. I
Yeah.
mean, we are trying to access Azure server. We need any pre-required skills like, I mean, suppose, I mean, like Windows platform, Linux platform, we can learn.
From Azure,
Yes, yes.
yes, you can learn anything. You can create the Linux machine and you can practice it, whatever the commands that you want to practice.
Guys, Azure is a combination of okay, multiple services, around 500 services, I guess, right? Vishal?
Yes,
Yeah,
it has more than 500 plus
yeah,
services.
it is keep adding the services. See, this is not only for SQL DB. SQL DB is just one service in the Azure. Okay, SQL DB is just one service in the Azure. Like that, you can see multiple services for all technologies. You can use this. This is a common warehouse, guys. Whatever you want, you can dump here. Okay, whatever you want you can buy from here. Okay, all the services across all the technologies can be like cloud. Okay, so the thing, whatever technology it is, Oracle Linux machines, Oracle software, or else any other third party softwares, any other tools, everything you can see here. So, and you cannot even learn complete Azure also, it's keep on adding the services. Okay, so we are just using one of the services in the Azure, that is Azure SQL DBA. Okay. Yeah. Please continue, Shah.
Okay, I think that's it. Okay, so like be ready guys with your account. Tomorrow I'm going to start you by creating I will take you to the different modules in okay in Azure. I think still Shanmugh, many persons not yet created their accounts. Okay, that's the reason why I'm not going further today.
Let me check.
Okay.
Let me check. How many of you tried, guys? How many of you tried? Just raise your hands. How many of you tried creating a? I know you have a challenge at credit card. So how many of you tried? Just raise your hands. How many of you tried to create Azure account? Ranga, very good. Manoj, okay. Subramanyama, okay. You created long back. So your credits and all completed.
Yeah.
Hmm.
Lakshmi not yet. Okay.
Mm-hmm.
It'll-
Okay, Mike.
I will
Yes,
try
Mike.
today.
Yeah.
Mike,
But again,
Mike.
I'm see. My suggestion is create when you are completely ready. Okay, otherwise every day you are going to lose your credits. See, if you are not using, credits won't be deducted, but the thing is the days will be counted, right? Every day. Say if you create your account today, from today onwards 30 days only the credits will be available. So if you feel that you will continuously practice, from that point onwards you create your Azure account. Otherwise you create today and you don't have time to practice, and after 1 week means again you are going to lose all these 7 days. Okay, so strictly that $200 will be automatically deducted after 30 days, guys, at the end of the 30th day. Yeah. So I have a quick assignment for all of you. Okay, so what is Project Natick? Okay, what is meant by Project Natick? What is meant by Project Natick? Okay, I just posted the question in the chat. I hope you can see that question. Okay, so very quick assignment. I hope it will take 1 minute. Okay, it don't take much time. What is meant by Project Natick? Just let me know the answers by tomorrow. Okay, so we'll continue the session, guys. If you have any questions, you can ask. Vishal, anything you want to discuss, like any services and all? Can you show me all the services, Vishal?
Sorry, Shanmugh, you were saying something. I was
Yeah. Can you show me all the services?
which we can perform.
Yes, through this one.
Sorry, sorry, I am I am also doing the Google.
Yes.
I even though
No
frankly I too don't
way.
know.
Guys, okay, Project Natick is a project by Microsoft. Okay, so the underwater data centers.
I discussed it yesterday, but I
Yesterday,
don't know the
yeah.
name of that project.
Yes, okay, so underwater data center project is called Project Natick, guys.
Okay, thank you for
No problem.
okay, okay. So quick resources that what we are going to work. Okay, your SQL databases, your virtual machines, and your storage accounts. Okay, and Azure Active Directory. Yes, we'll work with Azure Active Directory as well. Okay, and apart from that, we'll work on managed instance. I will quickly show you how to create your managed instance and how will you work with that. Okay, and let me uh, show you what are the topics that we are going to cover. Okay, okay, yeah. So we are going to cover the different topics. The brief introduction of the Azure free account we already discussed yesterday and today as well. Okay, and yeah, we are going to discuss about the infrastructure model, PaaS model, SaaS already we discussed, right? This if required again we are going to reiterate once again. Okay, and we'll talk more on the Azure DB models, like we have single DB model, we have elastic DB models. We'll stretch more on that. Okay, and your IaaS model is very much similar to your on-premise model. Okay, I will work on that one as well. Okay, and what are the details? How are you gonna restore your databases from your on-premise model to cloud, on cloud to cloud, on cloud server to cloud server? How you will take the backups and will restore? Okay, that part will cover up. and what is a serverless DBs? Okay, what is a vCore models that we have? Okay, and what is a georeplication, HADR sync configuration, Azure availability groups, availability sets, how we are going to set for the database. Okay, all are real time, guys. Okay, so and also we'll discuss on the interview questions, how you gonna crack the interview. Okay, what type of questions you may encounter during the interviews. Okay, that is also will iterate. And the run books will give some run books. Okay, and managed instance storage account creation, how we're going to create the storage account, we'll show you that. Okay, and what kind of replications that we can configure in Azure. Okay, we have different replication methods, on-premise to Azure, Azure to Azure. Okay, we'll show you that practically. Okay, and how your cost is involved in the Azure model, that will also will show you. Okay, each service when you are creating, by the time it will show the clearly how much the cost will affect. Okay, and also will show you VM creations. Okay, and on top of that VM, there are a lot of things to discuss about the VM. Okay, how to create a VM, how to create a duplicate VMs. Okay, how will you scale the VMs, will show you. Okay, and on top of that we'll build the SQL services. On top of the VM we'll build the SQL services. Okay, and we'll talk about the security as well, Azure security models. Okay, fine.
Yes, yes. So guys, we are moving slowly. So don't worry. So Vishal will cover everything. So we just started, right? So slowly we are moving. Okay. So whatever things he just discussed, the course content and all, everything will be covered completely. Fine. So any other questions? Any doubts? And I have already created a YouTube playlist in our channel, SQL DBA classes. Okay, so let me open that one. Let me share my screen once. 1 minute. So just go to YouTube, guys. Go to our channel. SQL DBA classes. Okay, and this is our channel, the first channel, playlists, and then Azure SQL DBA. Okay, so today only I uploaded yesterday's class. I have already uploaded in this playlist. So few videos will be uploaded in this space. Okay, not all, again, hardly 4 to 5 sessions will be uploaded in this space. Remaining videos, okay, so I'm going to share with your Google Drive, guys. Okay, so this is how it will work, and again, depends upon the topic to topic, you will get that material also. Fine. Yes, so make use of this space, guys, and please subscribe to the channel in case if you haven't. Yeah, thank you, guys. Any questions?
Hello.
Yes, please.
What is the duration for the?
We are expecting a 1 month duration. So hope it will be covered in a month, Monday to Friday.
And class will be on weekdays only.
Weekdays, Monday to Friday, 7 to 8 p.m. So this is fine, right? This timing is fine, right, with you guys? 7 to 8 p.m.
Oh, for myself, even morning also. Okay, actually, morning is better for me.
Yes, yes, I understood, but like we'll go with measure.
Yeah. Okay.
Yeah. Yeah.
And can you once share the topics, whatever it's
Yeah,
mentioned?
I'll share it, guys. I'll share it. Don't worry. I'll share the course content with all of you. Huh?
Yeah. Okay.
Yeah. Okay. Chalo. Fine. Vishal, anything to discuss?
I think fine. Shanmukh,
Yeah. Thank you.
we'll
Thank
catch
you.
up tomorrow.
Definitely. Yeah. Thank you, guys. Thank you. We'll meet tomorrow at 7 p.m.
Thanks, everyone.
Yeah.
Thank you.
Yeah, thank you.
Thank you.